Hey guys, today let's learn how to generate sound effects with AI for free. So if you guys want to go ahead and generate sound effects, well, with the AI software for free. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys that in this video. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So what we want to do is to go ahead and launch Ever browsers, and I want you to utilize an application called My Edit Online. Now, this application or this website is one of the best applications to use in order to create your own AI sound effects. This website actually have this option under your 3 lines. So all we need to do forces to tap on the 3 lines. On the top left corner, let's tap on audio. Next, let's tap on sound effects generator. And this is what we should utilize in order for us to create our own sound effects using AI. So just go ahead and tap on generate sound effects free. And all we need to do is describe what sound effect that you want to go ahead and generate. So in this case, if you have a specific video clip that needs a specific sound effect, so let's say you want a slide whistle, or you want a comedic slide whistle, gonna go ahead and just describe what you guys want. And then tap on done and tap on generate sound effects. Of course, you do need to go ahead and log into your account first once you bypass this specific account login. But of course, by using Google, Facebook, or Apple, you could now go ahead and use these software for free and download your generated sound effects using AI for free as well. Now, I would recommend this guy, so go ahead and try this out yourself. And please comment down below if it worked. Like this video as well, and subscribe if you guys learned something. And take care.